Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our village Fresno University. So let's get started. So to log into your village Fresno University, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for University Village Fresno Login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on the second option, which is Campus Login Services. And after tapping on that option, now you can log into your account. So to do that, what you can do is just enter your account's username and then enter your account's password. After entering your account's username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and by tapping on that option, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password for your account, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Fresno University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.